Our mission is to have the highest quality products available at the best prices, complemented by the best service. The demand for our products has been incredible. We currently have over 3 million square feet of product available at all times. We have experienced over 70% growth versus prior year. We have enough products on hand to take on any customer at any size, anywhere in the country. We even have had to rent additional real estate to house all the products that we have available to you. To ensure we are built for growth as a company, we have put inventory controls in place to make sure that our products are always available at any given time. In addition to our inventory, we have stepped up our game from a service perspective. We have a very well-trained, friendly staff ready to serve you. We have added office personnel, warehouse associates, and drivers to meet the growing demand of our consumers. Our quality control processes are in place to improve order accuracy. We have guaranteed, dependable, on-time delivery. Our communication continues to improve. We notify customers the night before delivery and also 30 minutes prior to ensure that you are prepared when our driver arrives. Our will call wait times are under 15 minutes. If you need samples delivered, we will send those samples out inside of 24 hours. We've also made investments in equipment. We have a number of new forklifts and trucks to ensure we can deliver the right products at the right time. We've implemented a digital order fulfillment process to guarantee accuracy.